Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And as we move on, of course, with Windows 11 and Windows 10 almost neck and neck around the world. And of course, if you look at more specific markets like North America, Windows 11, there's more PCs with Windows 11 than Windows 10. Of course, one of the things we also kind of look at is gamers. Gamers are often at the forefront of technology for a simple reason. They need powerful PCs and are often a little more tech savvy than the average user. So, if we look at the Steam data for the month of June, well, Windows 11 still going ahead. Almost 60% of gamers are on Windows 11 now. And that's pretty neat for Windows 11 to have that percentage. And it's normal because gamers, since they usually have pretty high-end laptops and game machines, desktops, these machines are already capable of Windows 11, and most of them. Windows 10 now at 35.6, it's minus 1.3%. So the dominance of Windows 11 now is really confirming itself in the gamers. And well, next month, sorry, we probably will have also a reversal in the worldwide usage, where Windows 11 is going to become, for the first time, the number one operating system used, even though there's still a lot of people on Windows 10. So interesting numbers here, especially for gamers. And there's all sorts of statistics that are kind of cool in the gaming sphere also, if you want to know, what version of Windows, but also, what's the standard config of each machine, what how many people have a certain amount of RAM, and what are the most popular graphics adapters, and so on. It's pretty cool in general to look at all these data. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.